Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a tutorial on how to make a shift dress, and as you can see, I already folded my fabric into 4. I'm using 2 meters of Ankara fabric, and you fold with the length of your sleeve. So I'll insert a clip on how to take your sleeve measurement. Okay, now the first thing I'm doing is going in with my starting line. So all of my measurements are going to start from this line. So firstly, I'll take in my bust line, after which I'll take in my waistline and my hip line. So this is my bust line, my waist and the hip. And guys, for this tutorial I'm doing the V-edge neckline, and I have a video on my channel on the breakdown and the proper explanation on how to achieve the neckline. I'll link it down on the comment section down below. Now after doing this, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is to mark in the width of my neckline, and I'm using 4.5 inches, while for the depth I'm using 7 inches. Like I said earlier, check out my channel. I have a tutorial on the breakdown of the V-edge neckline. I went ahead to take 1.5 inches for my shoulder slope and connect it directly to my neck width. Now here I'm taking 1/4 of the bust measurement, and make sure you use your measurement. This is for a client, so I took 1/4 of my client's bust measurement and I added 2 inches because it's like a free dress without a zipper. Okay, now I did the same thing on my waist, 1/4 of my waist plus 1.5, 2 inches. Do whatever you feel like is going to be necessary, or whatever you feel like you want to use for this. Now I'm marking in the length of my gown. Now because I don't want like a sharp edge on my hip line, whatever I have on my hip line, on the hemline I took off 1.5 to 1 inches, depending on how tapered you want yours to be. Now from my hip line I came down by 2 inches, and I'll connect that with a straight line. Then from the 2 inches I'll curve it down to the hem. Now what this does is to help get rid of any like excess sharpness on the hip line. Now I'll connect that to the waist and up to the bust point. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your girl is on her way to 1k subscribers. Please, I am begging you guys, please. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take in my round armhole measurement. Like I said, this is going to be very free, so I used about 8 inches and just connect it with a curve down to my bust line, like so. Make sure the edge is not sharp. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is to add 1/2 inch on the shoulder measurement. Now like I said, the explanation of this neckline is on my channel. Check it out guys. I'll connect my neck width to my neck depth, and the next thing I'm going to do is to cut this out. Go in here by 1/2 inch and connect to the edge. Please guys, comment down below whatever video you want to see from me and I will deliver. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It will just keep pushing me to keep working and bringing more videos your way. Now my V-neck edge is already done, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to attach my patch pocket. Now just take one piece because the back and the front is the same, so just take any piece to represent your front and the other for your back. Now the length of my pocket is 8 by 7.5, depending on the size you want. You can make yours bigger, you can make yours smaller, you can make yours in a different position. Just be creative with whatever you're trying to recreate. Okay, now place it in whatever area you want it to be and sew all the sides except the opening. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to join the two shoulders together. Now I am done joining my shoulders together and attaching my pockets. As you can see, I was loving the results already. My shoulders are all done. I double folded my hem. Now join them right sides to right side and close off the sides with 1/2 inch. Make sure you close it off with whatever seam allowance you add, and then I'll go ahead and double fold my edge with 1 inch. Okay, now we have come to the end of this video, and this is my end result. Guys, you cannot tell me this dress is not popping. Hello, like, it's popping. My clients loved it. I'm really excited. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.